Are you wondering how to help your students with phoneme blending, isolation, as well as onset and rime? In this video, I'm going to share with you a few activities for you to try in your classroom. I'm Angela Griffith, and I help teachers create positive learning experiences for the students in their classroom. Sounds and blending is something that I work on all year with my kiddos, but every now and then I just run out of ideas. So I'm always on the hunt to add things to my teacher toolbox. So the first game that we're going to talk about is Catch the Sound. This game is perfect to practice onset and rime as well as phoneme blending after this skill has been introduced. Start with the practice of blending onset and rhymes. For instance, t, op, top. Next, have the students sing the following part to the tune of A Hunting We Will Go. A looking we will go, a looking we will go. We'll find a d and add an esk, and now we have a desk. Continue the verse using other onsets and rhymes. I like to begin this game using words around our classroom because it's something that they're already familiar with, and then I move on to different types of words. Our next game is Sounds in the Word. So we're going to start this game by using picture cards with 2 or 3 phonemes, and this one is sung to the tune of The Wheels on the Bus. The sounds in the word goes t-ap, t-ap, t-ap. The sound in the word goes t-ap. Let's say the word. Then the students will state the word, and then you'll continue the game with other words. If you want to repurpose some of your alphabet picture cards for this, you can do that as well, as long as the picture is 2 or 3 phonemes. So don't forget, tap the like button if you're getting value. So our next game is Jack in the Box. This is a fun game because students get to be active participants and they can move. So choose 3 of your students to come to the front of the class. You'll give each student a secret sound. So basically, if you choose a CVC word like hop, you'll tell one student their secret sound is h. You'll tell another student their secret sound is ah. And you'll tell the next student that their secret sound is p. Sit them in order and have them pop up one at a time, saying the secret sound that you have already given them. Have the class to blend the word and say the word. Continue the game with different words and different students. You can extend the activity by having students to eventually hold up letters, connecting the sounds to print. Our last game is domino sounds. Instead of dominoes with dots, we have dominoes with pictures. All you need are pictures and craft sticks. With this game, I like to start small, meaning I introduce this game in small group. Trust me, it's easier to manage that way. All you need are 15 to 20 dominoes to get you started. Cut and glue small pictures to each end of the craft stick. Give each student 2 to 3, then place the rest face down in a pile. Explain the rules of the game. Get rid of your dominoes by matching the picture sounds. When I first introduced this game, I start with initial sounds. Go ahead and pick a domino from the pile and lay it face up on the table. The other players will then match a domino with one of their own if it matches. For instance, B and button match because they both begin with the same initial sound. Whoever runs out of dominoes wins. After this has been introduced at the small group table, I like to turn this over for partner play. If a player happens to find that during their turn they don't have any dominoes left to match, they can pick one from the pile. If all of the dominoes from the pile are gone, then whoever has the least amount of dominoes left, they are the winner. Let me know in the comments below, out of all the games that I've shared today, which one is your favorite? And just for you, in the description, I do have these sound dominoes as a freebie. Don't forget to click the link to grab yours. See you guys in the next video.